I think my grandpa might be Santa, written by Holly Berry Byrd, published by Cottage Door Press. Hi, I'm Nick, and that's my sister Nora. Want to know a secret? I think my grandpa might be Santa. Here's why. My grandpa has a workshop, and he makes me toys. My grandpa likes to play in the snow. He built this snow fort without me. My grandpa makes the best hot chocolate, and he carries peppermints in his pockets all year long. My grandpa has a round tummy, and it shakes when he laughs, like a bowl full of jelly. My grandpa has a kitten named Snowflake. She wears a jingle bell because it's cheerful, says my grandpa. If he doesn't shave, his whiskers are white. And what about that bathrobe? Did I mention my name is Nick? Guess who I'm named after? And guess who my grandpa is named after? But even if my grandpa isn't really Santa, I'm still the luckiest kid in the world. Because my grandpa is the best grandpa ever. The end.